Table 14.1 shows the frequency distribution speed in km per hour of 40 car that was recorded in the driving test. So table 14.1, this is table 14.1, frequency distribution of speed 40 car that was recorded. So complete table for 14.2, this is table 14.2. So you see here, the midpoint means we added 2 points, 40 plus 44 divided by 2, we get 42. Or you can see here 2. So you can see here the difference is 4. So the midpoint is plus 2. So this here plus 2 we get 47, plus 2 we get 52, plus 2 we get 57, this one we get 62, plus 2 67, plus 2 72. So the upper boundary, so you see this one is 44 and this one is 45. So the midpoint is the upper boundary. So you see here this one is 40.5. So this one is 49.5. So this one is 54.5. This one is 59.5. This one is 64.5 and here is 69.5 and here is 74.5. So cumulative frequency is the addition of the frequency. So we see this one is 0, so this is 0. Then the second one would be 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. Third one is 3 plus 7, which is 10. And then here 10 plus 13, which is 23. 23 plus 11 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. And 39 plus 1 is 40. So you see 40 car, so you should get 40 here as well. So calculate the estimated mean, the speed of car. So mean is equal to sum of frequency times midpoint divided cumulative divided by sum of frequency. So mean is equal to, so you see here the midpoint is 42, 42 times 0, which is 0 lah, 42 times 0 plus 47 times 3, 47 times 3 plus 52 times 7 plus 57 times 13. So we see you multiply plus 62 times 11 plus 67 times 5 plus 72 times 1 and divided by sum of frequency is 40. So we get 58.375. So the mean is equal to 58.375. Using a scale of 2 cm to 5 km per hour on horizontal axis. So we see here 2 cm to 5 km on X and then 2 cm to 5 cars on vertical axis is Y. So draw or give of the data. So to draw or give, we need to use upper boundary and cumulative. So we see here. So we see 2 cm to 5 km per hour and then 2 cm to 5 car. So we see here 49.5 to 54.5 is 5 cm, which means this is on every 2 cm. So we see here we start with 44.5, so here it should be 44.5. So maybe we can start here. So 44.5, here is 49.5, 54.5, 59.5, 64.5, 69.5 and 74.5. And then here, this is the horizontal. And vertical, you see here 5 for every car. So we start with 0 until 40. So this one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So sorry, it's quite hard making straight line using this one, that's why. Okay. So this is cumulative frequency and this is speed. Here for x, so for x axis, so we can see here for 10 point, so 10 point is equal to 5, so which means 2 represent by 1. So same with the y axis. So we have 44.5 and 0, which is here, which is 0. And then we have 49.5 and 3. So 49.5 and 3. So 3 means 3 times 2, which is 6 above the line. So which is 6 or 4 below 5, which is here. Okay, this is 3. And then 54.5 is 10. This is 10, which is here. And then 59.5 is 23, 59 is 23, this is 20, 23 means 6 above the point, so 6 is here, alright. And then 64.5 is 34, this one is 34, so we have 30 here, 34 means 2 below 35. And then we have 69.5 is equal to 39, so here, 39 is 2 below 40, which is here. And then we have 74.5 and 40. So here is 40. So now we connect all the lines. So we connect a line. Make sure you pass through all the point you made. Make sure it is smooth as well. Don't make it like me, because like I'm using this, so it's quite hard to make it smooth. Okay, make sure it pass through all the line. So now you are done. So D, based on the OGIF, state the interquartile range. Interquartile range means Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 is 3 over 4 of the total frequency, which is 40, which is at. So Q1 is equal to 1 over 4 times 40, which is equal to 10. So we need to find speed when the cumulative frequency is 30 and 10. When CF is equal to 10 and CF is equal to 30. So alamak lain lah. So maybe this color. So 10. So you pull from the graph. So 10 you get. So you see here this is 10. You get 54.5. 54.5. And then at 30 when you pull. So you are passing here. So you pull it to the graph. So almost done. Kejap. Okay. So you get. You pull it to the graph. So you get 3 to the left of 64.5. So we know 2 point is 1. This one means 1.5. So this one is 64.5 minus 1.5. So we get 63. So interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So which I get Q3 is 63 minus 54.5, which is equal to 8.5. So the acceptable in the schema is 8 plus minus 5.